Today in this video, we are gonna show you how to fix your Firestick. If you are getting the message, home is currently unavailable. We are gonna show you several methods for fixing this problem. Method 1. You are getting a similar message to what you see here on the screen on your Firestick. You just want to hold the play or pause button on the remote. Hold it down at the same time. Hold down the select button on the remote. Hold them down until you get a message on the screen. The Fire Stick is powering off. Then you can release them. The Fire Stick will then reboot. The message will be done and you will have your normal home screen. Method 2. Click the home menu, go to settings, go to network. This will show your available networks for Wi-Fi that you can connect with your Fire Stick. Now you see one that says connected and you should see a signal strength at least good. If you show that your network is not connected, there's a problem with your Wi-Fi. You may want to try something as simple as resetting your router, or maybe your internet service is down now. If your Wi-Fi is connected but your signal strength not good, the Fire Stick generally doesn't like that and won't perform well. You want to do is you want to adjust the position of the Fire Stick itself, or move your Wi-Fi, your router closer to your Fire Stick. This solves your problems. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.